Good morning, guys. I'm back to do another 15-minute video, but this morning I'm focusing on random tasks around my house. Every day is a different adventure, so these are just the tasks I wanted to do today. So right now I'm just making my second cup of coffee after getting Grady to school. Love my little coffee station. I have a whole video on it. I will link it down below. So after coffee, I just clean out the sink, put anything in there in the dishwasher that's left over from breakfast, and then kind of get my day started. So I'm getting my trusty rubber glove on to clean the sink. I use the SOS steel wool pads. They have the cleaner built right in and they work perfectly. They do not scratch your sink at all, and they're just the best thing I have found to use to clean my sink. I do this about once or twice a week or as needed, but there's just something so satisfying about rinsing it out after you've scrubbed it. It's just, I don't know, the little things in life, I guess, guys. So the next random task of the morning is filling up my sugar bowl, because if you drink coffee with sugar, you know how annoying it can be when your sugar bowl is empty. So I thought I would finally go ahead and fill it up, and yes, it does hold a lot of sugar. Next up, I wanted to light a candle just to set the mood. Just kidding, I just like candles. I use this Murphy's oil soap to clean all of my wood furniture, and my kitchen table needed a good wipe down. So I thought while my washer was finishing up, I would wipe down the top of the washer and the dryer with some Mrs. Meyer's cleaner, because it was just kind of dusty since I hang dry all my clothes. These get dusty pretty quickly, so I try to clean them a couple times a week. When the wash was done, I hung dry all of our clothes, which I do pretty much every single day. I did actually have to speed up just this segment because it took a little bit of time, and I didn't want to make it too monotonous. But yes, I hang dry our clothes every single day, and I use the dryer for things like sheets and towels and linens and underwear and socks, but as far as our clothing, it is all hung dry. actually use a dehumidifier to speed up the drying process, and it also helps to take the wrinkles out of the clothes, because if you've ever hung dry clothes, you know they can get a little bit stiff and wrinkly and starchy feeling, but the dehumidifier actually solves that problem. Last task of the morning, I wanted to wipe down my bathroom sink and that tray right there with all of my products on it because it was kind of dusty, and the sink was just looking a little gross. Even though we had just cleaned the bathroom, it just gets dirty pretty quickly. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I mentioned in the first one that I do all kinds of random tasks and tidying up every morning when Grady leaves, when I get back from bringing Grady to school. And it just helps me feel motivated to kind of start my day with little things around the home done. I hope it motivated you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.